Thirikari ikiambiriria mubango wa inua jamii hari andu akuru aria makinyitie miaka 70 itanya riari kumateithagiriria na mbeca nini iria ni ciringi 2,000 mweri, no mbeca ici itikoretwo ikimakinyira ta uria kwabangitwo. Undu uyu ni ukoretwo ukirehe mateta kuma kuri akuru makiuga ni matiganĩirio, no umuthi President William RUTO akihingura kigomano gia kwarira mitaratara ya gũtangĩkĩra andũ arĩa matarĩ ũhoti rungu rwa ministry ya ũruti wa wĩra nĩeranĩire kwambĩrĩria mweri wa gatandatũ mwaka ũyũ mbeca cia akũrũ irerekagĩrĩrio mbere ya mĩcara ya aruti wĩra thirikari o mweri.
Cabinet has now approved that from June 1 the social protection cash transfer money will be disbursed before salaries of public servants is disbursed.
President augete ihinda ni ikinyu andu akuru aria mari na mawathe na aria matehotete makoro magiteithiririo kuona kuri na gicunji kinene kia Akenya magomeirwo ni ukia munene undu uria utigite ona ciana nyingi hatikaini ona ya kwaga gia kuria.
The government has allocated 28 billion to support cash transfer programs implemented by the State Department for Social Protection. These programs include older persons, orphans and vulnerable children, persons with severe disabilities, the hunger safety net for poor and vulnerable households in the ASAL regions, and the Inua Jamii program.
Minister wa uruti wira Florence Bore augete itanya inene ria ministry no ni kwaramia mubango uyu wa guteithiriria andu akiuga muhinga munene ni wagi wa kigina gia kuigana guku nake muikariri gitu wa kanjo ya magavana anu wa iguru akiuga mihinga ya kigina ingieherio mubango uyu no ukinyanirio.
The social sector has a population of about 20 million comprising of children, older persons and persons with disabilities who require social protection services. Yet, the funding for this sector is currently at 0.7% of our GDP.
Investing in social protection is also a key way of achieving the sustainable development goals in Kenya.
Nake mwandiki munene wa kotu Francis Atwoli nioritie gukorwo na mubango wa gukuruhania andu othe kuria president oritie ruhonge rwa NSSF kwarira mitaratara na mukenya wothe ahote kuiga kigina kingi muteithio ukuru-ini.
Let me call upon those running other occupational pension schemes not to view the changes and the seriousness you have taken to transform National Social Security Fund as a threat. This is a compliment.
Na ciegie mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF, President augite undu uyu ni urarorwo makiria niguo gutigirira aria marirutaga mbeca nini o mweri irikoragwo iri ciringi 300, akiongerera ati na warigitania kwirutira ni mariheagwo kigina kinini kuma gwi thirikari. Mekwaragia hindi ya kuhingura kigomano gia gatatu hari kwaririria mitaratara itiganite ya kwagirithia motungata kuri andu makiria aria akuru aria mari na mawathe na aria mahatĩrĩrĩkĩte kimuturire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.